Hey, welcome to Shimmer Blast. Today I'm going to show you how to make this adorable Baby Yoda Mandalorian party invitation in Design Space with your Cricut. Okay, so you could create this Baby Yoda pram in Adobe Illustrator and have all of the layers there and import individually each of the layers into Design Space. But I'm going to show you how I made this just in Design Space because I was honestly being lazy. So I'm going to keep the colors similar to what you see on the screen, and I'm just going to match everything. If you're in a jam or you don't have all of that software, you can create cute images with Design Space and simple shapes. So I've got my green oval here, and I'm just going to create a circle that is about the size of both of these little knobs on the side. Then I'm going to grab a square. I'm going to line the edge of the square right up with the circle, and then I'm going to slice them. Delete my extra layer. I'm going to line both of these up. I'm going to align them. I'm going to use the align tool, and I'm actually just going to align them in the center so that they all align on the center. So I'm going to weld the right side, and then I'm going to weld the left side. There we go. Now we got this little frumpy circle doodad. And I'm going to grab a rectangle and unlock that rectangle, and we're going to line it up, and then I will slice those and get rid of my extra layers. I'm going to add a triangle. First I unlock it. So I'm going to duplicate this. I'm going to line it up as close to the edge as I can, and then I'm going to slice the one side and erase my extra layers. Okay, and then I will slice the other side as well and delete the extra layers. Now for the black part, again, I'm going to start with a circle. Awesome. That almost lines up perfectly. Get a square, unlock it, and I am eyeballing it right about there is where I think we want that. Hide the green background and slice the bottom part of the pram off. I'm going to grab a pentagon, and I'm going to unlock the pentagon. I'm going to duplicate this, and then I'm going to line those two up vertically, and then one at a time I'm going to slice the pentagon from the main half circle. Don't worry, it's going to look wonky for a second. All right, next I'm going to grab another pentagon. It has the correct angle that I want. Okay, we'll duplicate that. All right, and then I will slice the right side and delete all of those layers. Okay, so that lines up pretty well. I'll just shrink it a tiny bit. And then we just need a half circle just to add to the design. A little bit right behind Baby Yoda. Isn't Baby Yoda so cute? You should totally hit the like button if you love Baby Yoda. Of course he's Grogu, and of course he's the child, of course he's all of it, but Baby Yoda has the most endearing term. Okay, so now I'm going to slice. I'm going to give it a different color. I'm going to make it a light gray. So now we've got the light gray followed by the dark gray or black, and then the Baby Yoda pram. I'm going to make these little tabs on the side that connect. We're just going to take a square and turn it into a rectangle by unlocking the square. And then I want this rectangle to just barely stick out past the little green knob there. And I'm going to duplicate that. Okay, I'm going to highlight both of those by holding Command and then align them center vertically. Okay, and you just want to make sure they're barely touching. Perfect. Turn my main green layer off, and then I will weld and then bring my light gray half circle back in the front. So I have had this layer hidden. We're just going to pull out a rectangle. Well, let's change it to that light green, that other green. We'll just go with that other green, whatever other green that is. We're going to go with it. I just want it to be big enough to fit right behind here. There we go. And you can skip that if you would prefer not to do that. I just liked the color variation. Then I'll bring that one behind my main piece. This little piece that I created that goes right in front That is a simple rectangle again. It just adds the finishing touch. Duplicate that twice, and I will align those center horizontally. Yep, they're all lined up. Okay, so now we're going to one at a time. We're going to slice those. Now I'm going to change that to another dark green, something greenish. So then we're going to make Baby Yoda. We need a square. Again, this would be so easy in Illustrator compared to all these shape cuttings. But I feel like when I began with Cricut, it was nice knowing how to do a quick little project and know how to slice and weld things just with shapes. So I took a rectangle and I'm just taking a circle and I'm going to cut almost to where the corners of the rectangle meet up with the circle. Change the color to that brown. Now we're going to make his ears. Now here's the tricky part. Shapes like that. This is definitely where I went. I have a subscription to Design Space, so I would look up bunny ears. Here's a good bunny ear layer. Good job, whoever created that. So cute. We're going to turn it into Baby Yoda. So I'm going to turn off all the layers that I don't want. That leaves me just this layer. Then I'm going to break apart the ears by grabbing another square, highlighting both of those. I want it to be about the right size. I will unlock it and just kind of shape it to the same size or thereabouts. Now to fill it in, I'm going to grab a circle. To fill in the inside of those bunny ears, I'm going to grab a circle, unlock it, and I'm going to turn it into an oval. Okay, and then weld those. And I'm going to get a circle and unlock it and get the oval for his face. Then I'll just drop that right in the middle. Before we weld it, I'm going to duplicate this one piece of the ear and cut off just the edge so that we can create a centerpiece. So I'll take the one that I just made and I'll shrink it just a little bit so that it creates that center section of his ear. Okay, now I'm going to weld those, turn that into the green for his face. I'm going to straighten up his ears a little bit. So I'll just take my rectangle tool. I'll just flatten off the top of that ear and then just use the rectangle that you currently have and just tip it the other direction and line it up, slice, and I'm going to make the ears the same color as the body. Okay, so for his eyes, that's pretty easy. Just going to make him a slight oval. Okay, so I'm going to just take this little tiny circle. And you probably just want to change the color because that's really hard to see. Slice that and then take one other dot. Put that right next to the little pupil you've already created. Okay, and then you're just going to duplicate that. Okay, for his eyebrows, I'm going to take two circles. I'm going to shrink it down. I'm going to turn it into an oval. And then I'm going to duplicate that and change the color so I can see it a little bit better. Then I line those two up. I slice it. There's his little eyebrow. What I ultimately did was I sliced the eyebrows out of the green rather than cutting teeny little tiny pieces. I'm just going to make him one cute little mouth. And you can make him like frowning or smiling. The piñata I made, he was frowning. And I love his cute little smile. So we're going to make it a smile. Then I'm going to duplicate that and just make that tiny bit flatter so it gives him a little smile. We are going to slice this. I'm going to have two pieces that come out of this. So there we go. I'm going to have to do it just one more time. Grab a little square and then slice those. And there's his cute little mouth. Aw, so cute. And then you can group them all together. That way when you grab it and move it, the whole thing comes together. The other part of this card is Mandalorian. So here he is, and then just create it's a 4x8 rectangle, and I did white cardstock. You can choose gray or white or whatever color you want. Then you take your score line and get it lined up so that when you send it through the Cricut, it can just score that for you, making it easy peasy. So it's about 3 inches. Duplicate the group as many times as invitations you're planning to make. For me, I was making 10. So I duplicated it 10 times, then send it to the Cricut. Have the Cricut cut out all your different layers in the different colors that you've chosen. Then I glued shiny reflective silver in the back side of Mando's mask, since his mask is silver after all. I glued Mandalorian on the back side of the trifold. Then I took an ink pad and barely inked around the outside of Baby Yoda's pram to give it that distressed look. I glued all of the individual layers onto Baby Yoda's pram. I glued the main green piece down and Baby Yoda on the front side of the trifold. I put all of the party information on the centerfold, and there you have it. This is an adorable Baby Yoda Mandalorian birthday invitation made in Design Space for the Cricut. Check out my channel for more party ideas. Thanks for watching.